华尔街时刻，我是美少于超，在纽约证交所向大家问好。在过去的4个周，我们看到油价已经上涨接近了20%，那么市场上的投资人和分析师也在不便寻找其原因，能够足以证明这样的涨幅的基本面是合理的。欧佩克在今天也是公布了预测，显示预计在2018年的全球对石油的需求将会上升，并且表示其产量削减协议已经起到了实质的作用，正在减少库存中的过剩石油，明年的再平衡已经接近。那么油价是否真正在这样的一个轨道上而行进呢？我们来连线芝加哥商品交易所交易员，听听他们的分析和解读。Hedge funds increased holdings of Brent futures options in the latest week, extending their bet on rally to the highest on record. So, from your point of view, will oil bounce higher in the following trading sessions? Does OPEC seem likely they will extend the cut?
Yes, we got comments this weekend from Secretary General of OPEC, Mohammed Barkindo, who said that further oil production cuts make sense. So now we've got comments from the Crown Prince, Vladimir Putin, and Secretary General Barkindo. So yes, they're going to extend the cuts. That's probably what's going to happen. It's a high probability if the November 30th meeting that we'll get an announcement that starting in January, they'll extend the cuts and possibly even cut a touch more. That part's a little bit more doubtful. So we got to pull back in Brent, but we got to rally in WTI. That kind of makes sense as well, based off of people looking to bring WTI over as the cost of Brent increases.
The rig count is also much higher than a year ago, when only 452 rigs were active, indicating that the U.S. oil industry is comfortable operating at current prices. So, do you expect that the number of the rig counts will continue to go up?
Well, overall, they've actually been going down. We've had 13 of 17 weeks of negative rig counts. Now, this past Friday, we had an increase of 9. That was a big jump. But prior to that, the other 3 weeks that had not shown a decline in rigs were up 1, unchanged, and up 1. This past Friday with the up 9 is a very big jump, and it looks like that may be bottoming. We're 286 rigs more than last year, but that number's been in decline. It looks like it may be kind of flat now and possibly turn back up. So I expect rig counts to flatten a little bit and maybe even head back up given current prices.
Next is for good market. A bit of safe haven demand shows that it's still supporting good price, but no new additional demand coming in. What's your perspective on good price trend in the short term?
I'm very neutral gold. The VIX actually jumped above 12 today, giving a little bit of support to gold. But until the VIX can get off the floor and get sort of off its back and actually rally for a geopolitical reason of sorts, gold isn't going to have much luck given the hawkishness of the U.S. Fed.
Then what kind of a moment for gold will come closer to next Fed meeting in December?
Well, it really depends on the meeting after that, to be honest. I think gold, again, is just going to be sideways. The dollar is stronger today, but it's more about the euro, the pound, and the yen being weaker than it is about dollar strength. We still have a Fed that's going to raise rates in December, but the probability of the second rate in March of 2018, the second rate hike, has actually been dropping.
好的，感谢您收看本期的金石华尔街时刻，我们下期再会。